So hello and welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make your audios recorded from your smartphones or any other cheap mic like a podcast mic audio quality. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have and here you have to search for Adobe Audio Enhancer. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and open this first website, which is podcast.adobe.com slash enhance. Once you open it, it may take some time. It may ask you to sign in. You can directly sign in with your Google. It's totally free. It won't ask you for any money, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now let's wait for the site to respond. Now here, once you sign in, here you can see the example as well.
I'm in a conference room with the window open
Now once I enable this enhance speech,
and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place.
you can actually check the difference, the previous audio that is not enhanced and the enhanced audio. You can sign in just by your Google, and it's a free plan that you can enhance 4 hours of audio a day. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.